If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why I can't paint you? The words will never show that you have come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and put yourself on me. If a man could be the places that one time I'll be with you, tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. If the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down to die, I'd spend the